What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing? Sam Fox Manu back again, like I promised. Trying to make this GameStop dive finds video. Trying to do this upstairs is tricky, especially with my son still awake. He's crawling up all underneath the tripod that I got my phone hooked up on, the camera phone and whatnot. So hopefully I can get through this without my setup tipping over. But yeah, as you can see, the posters right in front of you, those are the posters that I found last week, I believe. The Tomb Raider poster that you see right in front of you, that long poster, that I actually found that last night, along with a couple cases and some stuff. Still really slow, but everything underneath the Tomb Raider poster, those game boxes and other posters I found last week, they've just been sitting here on my dinner table since last week. I've been trying to see if I could find some other things, as usual. GameStop diving to make a decent video. But let's go ahead and get started, because I hate trying to make a video with posters because it's always a pain in the ass. I always like to try to get the entire poster in there, but it never works out too well. But let's see how this goes. So first up, you can see right in front of you, son. See the camera shaking. You move over there. The Tomb Raider poster I found last night, really cool. I'm thinking of when I finally get my game room slash man cave, aka the dungeon downstairs, squared away and cleaned the way I want it. I'm thinking of putting this up there, but really cool. Tomb Raider Definitive Edition poster. It's double-sided. See, well, that's upside down. Alright, now some game boxes. I'll go ahead and show you the small itty bitty poster first. Tales of Symphonia. Really cool little poster. It's just one-sided though. Like that. Found a couple more of these. Well, actually, one more. South Park Stick of Truth. The mix of posters and game boxes that I found were like a mix of stuff that I already have, already found, and a bunch of stuff that I haven't found yet. Son, I found this. This is a new one for me. Assassin's Creed Liberation HD game box. Another South Park Stick of Truth game box. Got two of these Rayman Legends. Really cool. This is another first for me. I got two, so one's up for trade. One, I'm keeping one, obviously. Then I got two of these. Which way should I show them? Evolve game boxes. They're interesting. You know, they got like numbers, and like on one side, a number on one side, a number on the other side. So I got two of them. Again, same thing. I'm keeping one. The other one is up for trade. Speaking of numbers, man, I suck ass at math. My last video, the video I just recorded of my thrift store game finds. Yeah, 6 plus 3 is 9, huh? Yeah, fail. I mean 10, right? That's what I said. I said 10. It's 9. Yeah, never mind. I hate math. So, yeah, I thought that was funny. I just failed on that. And then another one of these Assassin's Creed Liberations HD, or Liberation HD game boxes. Okay. See. Hang on just a sec, let me get some more stuff. Alright, so the next ones up are just a bunch of little small strip type posters. Like, I dropped it. like this right here, Wild Star, show off your wild side, pretty cool. And then got this one right here, it's Animal Jam. And then this one has more advertisement than picture of a game on it, but the picture of the game is kind of cool. I kind of like it. There's a picture of the game right there. And then, like, you know, the advertisement no one cares about. And then these two things are like these kind of tab type posters. They're the same. I got two of them. And that's this right here. The Witch and the 100 Knight. You can see right there. I got two. Both of these are up for trade or sell or whatever if you want these. Watch out, son. Get away. And I found this poster, which I think is pretty badass. Tokiden, whatever. I'm gonna frame this and put it downstairs in the stop it, in the dungeon. I'll probably cut out the bottom advertisement, but yeah, really cool looking poster. See right there. You gotta go play over there. And stupid double-sided tape. A poster for the Assassin's Creed Liberation. Pretty big poster, good size. Yeah, you can see right there. Trying to get it in the camera. There's that. This one of Garden Warfare. Cool looking poster. My son's checking out the posters. That'll keep him quiet for a little bit. So that's that. Boring ass NBA 2K LeBron James one. I'll just give that to my son to play with. Because I have a ton of those. This one's cool. A Castlevania Lord of Shadows poster. Blood is everything. Nice poster. I think I might have another one of these. If I do, this will be up for trade. I'll let you know in another video or soon enough. Excuse me. Or soon enough. But if I don't, then I'm keeping this. Hey, go over there. So Castlevania poster. Yeah, he took that poster and ran away. Another one of these. Xbox One Titanfall posters. You can see all of it in there. That. And yep, you're in luck. I do have two. Here's the second one. You know, cut off the promotional advertisement stuff. But yeah, so one's up for trade. One I'm keeping. This is another one I'm keeping because this is the first one I've ever found like it. And I love the game. And I plan on framing this as well. The Elder Scrolls. The funny thing is, I've never played the game, but I've seen gameplay on YouTube, and it looks pretty badass. So yeah, Elder Scrolls Online poster. Kind of looks like Skyrim. The dude in the middle, right? So I plan on framing this and putting it downstairs in the dungeon. Move back. Got another one of these Rayman Legends poster. See right there. Another one of these The Last of Us, one of my all-time favorite games for the PS3. This is the Left Behind DLC poster. I still haven't played that yet. I downloaded that for my PS3. I haven't gotten around to playing it yet. Because I've been playing Knack for my PS4. Pretty cool game. I like it. This is some boring ass advertisement. Xbox One fitness. I'll give this to my son so he can destroy it. Here you go, son. Happy birthday. Oh, he's loving that. I got a few smaller posters right here. This is World of Tanks Rollout. It's pretty cool. This is Animal Jam. Cool looking one. And then this is Monkey Quest. Found this cool looking Final Fantasy poster. See right there. Flip it around the other side. Kind of interesting, right? My son thinks it's hilarious. No, play with the ones I gave you. Play with that one. I found one like this before, so this one's up for trade. Yaiba Ninja Gaiden. Cool looking poster. I might swap this one out though for the one that I have because this is in perfect condition. Sorry guys. Got that. Go play over there. And a small little itty bitty Thief poster. Just one-sided though. Found another South Park Stick of Truth poster. This one has like the ones you could like peel out from the side. You can see right here. You can just open it and like tear it out along the line. So you got Garden Warfare, and then you got the UFC one right here. Pretty cool looking. A couple more long strip like posters. These are folded. This is the Garden Warfare one. It opens up pretty long. I think I got two of them, yeah. Here's the other one, like it. See? My son wants it. There you go. Alright. You're welcome. This is cool. I laughed when I saw this. As you can see, the Lego Movie video game. Everything is awesome! Where are my pants? Yeah, it's funny, huh? Never seen the movie yet, but they say some hilarious ass stuff on the game. And they sing that everything is awesome. But yeah, that's keeping that for sure. I love the game. My wife plays it. I haven't really played it. I just like watching her when she plays it. She gets a kick out of it. And then another style poster like that one, but Garden Warfare. As you can see right there. Sorry if I'm not able to get the entire thing in there. Another Garden Warfare, but not like the one I just showed you. The border around this one is different. It's plain. No, you stay there. Don't touch that. This one's cool. I like this one. Keeping this for the dungeon. This has Thief on this side. They move on over. It's got Tales of Symphonia. Singing so loud. So yeah, this is going downstairs to hang up around dungeon area, as well as this one. This big ass poster for One Piece Romance. You can see that's what it looks like. And last but not least for the posters, this Titanfall one that's got some damage to the side, sticky tape in the back, always something that I hate. So that's it for the posters, guys. I got a few more small little items and we get it set up for you. If this video for some reason just ends right here, Stay tuned. I'll just add in the rest of the stuff later. But hang on real quick. Hopefully it doesn't just cut out on me. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is basically everything else that I've found. As you can see, over this week and last week, including the posters. Still not a lot of stuff. Hold on. Son, wait, let me give that to you. My son's about to drop something on his head. Here. Man, you made a mess, huh, with those posters. I know, huh? Here you go. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So this is the rest of it. Still not a lot of stuff. I was hoping to find a lot more, some cool stuff. The posters are pretty cool. A lot of them I like that, you know, the ones I haven't found before, along with the game boxes I'm keeping. But yeah, this is about it, along with the posters for last weekend and basically majority of this week, since it's Friday tomorrow. Woohoo! Everything is awesome! Alright, so first off, got this power cord that they threw away. Nothing's wrong with this, not cut or anything. Got some, I know, huh? Got a bunch of Nintendo Club points right here. And of course, another Connect Adventures, the game, no manual, but yeah. I got enough manuals and a bunch of the other ones that I found downstairs, so I don't really care about that. This was an interesting find. Devil May Cry 4 for the PC. It says new right there, it's weird. But there's nothing in there. It has a sleeve cover. In the case right here. And there's nothing in there. No game, no manual, nothing. I might keep this, but if someone's interested in it, you know, let me know. Then a little packet of this stuff, Skylander Swap Force, just some more advertisement for this game, still sealed. If no one wants it, I'll just toss that in the trash. Found this little itty bitty, it's the first time I've come across a PS Vita case. Look how tiny this thing is. This is for The Walking Dead, the complete first season. Nothing in there though. But man, it's so tiny. It's so cute. It's so cute. Alright, enough of that. But got that. A bunch of, try to get it all nice for you, Nintendo DS cases. You can never get away from those. These are the titles for this first little stack that I'm trying to hold and show you. Alright, so there are the titles for that. And yes sir, how can I help you? Okay. Want your snack open? Here you go, son. Wow, look at those posters, the Aftermath. Hope no one wanted those. Thanks, son. Alright, so those are the titles I just showed you for that stack. If you didn't see it, I'll show it to you again because I know you want to see them. There's that right there. And then a couple more right here. And I got a ton of freaking cases. Some more right here. And then these two right here. Right here, probably already see it, a bunch more of these game insert art, whatever. Got a few for this game, Evolve, Bioshock 2, mix of stuff, Assassin's Creed Revelations, Call of Duty. I'm not going to go through every single one, but you know, there's a Stick of Truth, South Park, stuff that you've already seen a ton of in, if it's not my videos, other YouTubers' videos, or hell, even stuff that you probably already have. I found one of their employee or game in-store books. I thought it was cool because it got Final Fantasy right here. See that? That's pretty cool. So I got that. Watch out, son. And then this last stack of stuff, I found a game. It's Mafia 2. It's actually just the try to bring it out real quick. Add-on content, and not bad shape, decent shape. More Nintendo Club points. Oh, it just shows you that. Oh, bam, bam, bam. This Toy Story poster. Another one of these Xbox One little pamphlet booklet type things. And then, last but not least, everyone's favorite, more Nintendo DS cases. And those are the titles. Alright guys, so that's it. I apologize for the camera moving around all over the place and my little monkey making so much noise and destroying stuff. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked it. There are some posters and poster boxes that I am keeping. Hit me up if you guys are interested in any of them or anything here. PM me via YouTube or email me at my Yahoo address. I'll leave it in the description below. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully I find some more stuff. I'm still waiting on, I check every now and then, but on the Michaels to throw away their clearance stuff from Valentine's Day. That'll be a sweet haul. Sweet Valentine's, get it? Sweet Valentine's. Ha! Alright, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, you guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.